Man wounded cop during escape now get 22 years in prison. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Ricardo Richards, the man who was recaptured after disarming and shooting a police constable, then escaping from the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew in March of this year, has been slapped with a 22-year prison sentence. The accused, also known as Kaka, pleaded guilty to robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, wounding with intent in April when he appeared in the gun court section of the Home Circuit Court. On Friday, High Court Judge Justice Sonia Wynne Blair sentenced Richards to 13 years and 4 months for illegal possession of firearm and robbery with aggravation. Further, he was ordered to serve 22 years following the wounding with intent charge. All 3 sentences are to run concurrently, resulting in a 22-year span behind bars. Prior to Richard's sentencing, it was heard in court that he had penned a letter in which he apologized for his action. It was also heard in court that the injured cop suffered several injuries, including a fractured spine, which could prevent him from continuing his duties as a police officer. On Friday, March 12, Richard disarmed and shot a Denham Town-based police officer before making escape from the National Chest Hospital, where he had been taken for medical treatment. A week later, Richards was recaptured at a guest house in St. Andrew. He was subsequently charged by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.